Welcome back, forestry enthusiasts. As the deafening roar of chainsaws fills the air, sawdust flies, and danger is at every turn. You want to immerse yourself in the exciting world of forestry? Let's dive in. Sawing down giant trees is a lumberjack's worst nightmare. Whether you are a professional or a beginner, these trees are dangerous. Let's see how these professionals conquer the forest. The Sennebogen 355E is hard at work, transporting massive logs at the sawmill with precision and power. Its impressive lifting capacity and agility make moving these heavy loads look effortless. Godness. That tree removal went wrong. Cutting down a 26-foot tall tree is no small feat. Timing is everything. Catch it in the right season and perfect conditions for a clean cut. Be it the cold of winter or the heat of summer, this guy knows when to cut, but nothing beats the thrill of seeing a giant tree go down. The Stump Boss Ltd is built for the toughest tree removal jobs, chewing through stubborn stumps like they're nothing. Its power and precision leave no trace of what's been rooted for years. This isn't just an off-road beast, it's something more. It's the ultimate off-roader and workhorse in one. A tiny monster ruling supreme from the shadows, powering through challenges like they're nothing. Can it conquer nature's toughest tests? Absolutely. Imagine taking on a massive silver maple log with a 56-inch saw. It's like slicing through a beast of nature. Each cut is a battle, the wood fighting back, but that saw. It's a force to be reckoned with, chewing through the giant like it's nothing.
All right, let's start.
And we'll be able to get the board out of this next one. It's not as wasteful as you think this is.
Some more. There. Yeah, if you want to see a good stop sign video, go over to that. Yeah, this is the first one's 1 1/8 inch, which is 4/4. We're getting close to striking distance now, so. Beautiful, nice stuff. Just making a mess there. Oh. And now we'll just keep going left and right, keep centering that hip. Okay, everybody, okay.
When you discover a gem like this, you can't help but share. This guy was thrilled to find this log peeler disc for his 9-inch angle grinder. It promises quick and easy debarking, and my first attempt with this red pine log was nothing short of incredible. Picture this, a robust ZIL 131, renowned for its durability and power, maneuvering through rugged landscapes with ease. How does such a capable vehicle handle the toughest conditions? You'll be amazed at its tenacity. Wow. Meet the Husqvarna 592 XP, designed for serious loggers and tree care professionals. With an impressive 6.5 horsepower engine, this chainsaw effortlessly slices through the toughest hardwoods, making it the ultimate tool for demanding jobs. With a pulley system set up, are you ready to transform this daunting task into a triumphant feat of engineering? As you pull on the rope, the mechanical advantage kicks in, amplifying your efforts and allowing you to uproot even the most stubborn trees with precision and control.
Direction. Plastic one multiplier.
Holy moly. This is a beautiful and capable lady. I know lots of big, strong, young fellas who couldn't cut a tree where they want. That's so awesome.
There she goes.
It's unbelievable. This is definitely the best chainsaw this guy has ever had. Watch him conquer this uprooted tree with the utmost ease. If it were me, I would fail. Look at that. This beast features a 1,000 horsepower engine, delivering relentless power to efficiently process large volumes of wood waste, including whole trees, stumps, and brush, ready to turn your waste into valuable mulch. The Moorbark 1300 is here to get it done. Imagine standing in a lush forest where the Valtra N154E active harvester roars to life, its engine growling with anticipation. Paired with the nimble Palfinger C60 F86 and the razor-sharp Nisula 325H, this trio dances through trees like a well-rehearsed ballet. The skilled group of carpenters, with calloused hands and years of experience, expertly uses a basic disc saw to cut mahogany into smooth, straight planks. Their synchronized efforts highlight dedication and craftsmanship, all without modern tools.